ngā mana i ngā reo ngā kārangatanga maha o Timoti nei, tēnā koutou. Ngā uri o Ngāti Koata, tēnā koutou, tēnā tātou katoa. Well, kia ora whānau. My name's Joanie Wilson. I am a descendant of the Te Waka Kotua line. My mama is Joan Rini Te Kotua. Her father was Hiparini Te Kotua, and mother Bella Hennessy. I am the wife of Josh Wilson, nor Nai Tahuia, and the mother to Bella and Elias. I am residing in Nelson and have done so all my life, and have 4 siblings in England on my dad's side from his first marriage, and I'm one of 6 from the marriage of my mum and father John Carew. I just want to say thank you to you all, and to be presented this opportunity to once again serve our people of Ngāti Koata. And I look forward to meeting you all at the AGM, for those who I haven't met, and to also see old faces, and to touch base and reconnect.
Why have you decided to accept a nomination for this year's Ngāti Koata Trust Board elections?
There's a number of reasons. One of those being because I missed it, and really enjoy the mahi, the diverse pieces of the mahi, and because our people really do believe in the leadership that style that I lead from, and I therefore believe it's necessary.
What are the skills and experience you will bring to the board?
I've got experience as a previous board member. I have a number of established relationships across the hapuri, but also at an international level. I bring about a level of trust and respect. I absolutely have a relentless pursuit for Ngāti Koata to flourish, no matter what that looks like, where that is. And I think being in the education and social arena for a number of years, as ahika, I believe I have sound knowledge and understandings of what good leadership, what the needs are, what the decisions that need to be made, look like, feel like, sound like, and that experience, I guess, can be demonstrated through the board as well as my personal work life.
What do you believe are the biggest concerns facing our iwi today, and how do you think the board can best address these concerns?
I think the biggest concerns facing our iwi is the whare and the people in it. And what I mean by that is our people are our greatest asset. And I believe at this point in time, we're in a state of rebuilding. And therefore, as a board, I believe that it is our duty to set that tuapapa or the strategic direction that is absolutely clear of expectation and provides that right amount of support to those that need it and is built on trust, and as a board be able to make those decisions for the greater good. So I see it as a positive opportunity where we can grow and develop and flourish. As a board, I also believe that our duty is to behave that encourages, that inspires our people to want to be on the Ngāti Koata board, that wants to work for Ngāti Koata. And so we have a role to play in that, and it's an exciting one. If that was the one thing, I would say everything else, whether it's business and the social side, education, investments that we look at, as long as we have our house in order, everything else will flourish and will come from that.
If you are elected, what is something you would like to achieve personally as a trustee of Ngāti Koata Trust in your 3-year tenure?
I think it goes back to my previous kōrero, and I think it's around relationships, that recalibration of relationships. And if we get that right, I think when we talk about people placing things, those things that are significant to us, then that is that foundation for us to focus strategically on how do we move to the next level. So if we're talking about places and things significant to us, Y262 could be that platform where we re-engage in that kaupapa, and that be a vehicle to some of the things that that are dear to us, focusing on the and support to our mātauranga strategy, finding out what's happening in our whakapapa committee, and just really encouraging our people to be a part of Koata Trust and do what we say we're going to do, and lead out with the best intentions and tikanga of Koata. I know, there's a lot of emerging kaupapa across, iwi business, whether it be politically or in the taiao space, and just, reminding ourselves we do it, who we're doing it for, and look at all of those areas that we can leverage off that supports our people and our connection to place and those significant